Hello everyone, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. Melissa, since she is the mandatory kind of work people, whatever it's called, where they have to go to work, I'm here today and I am going to make an oven roasted barbecue ribs in the oven, and I want to see how these are going to turn out. So right now I am just taking off the skin off the back part here, and now I'm going to get all the ingredients together to make a dry rub. And we're going to rub this with the dry rub. We're going to wrap it. We're going to put it in the oven and bake it at 275 for 3 hours. Then we're going to pull it out. We're going to put barbecue sauce on it, and then we're going to use the broiler for about 5 minutes to get that on there, and then these should be just about fall apart perfect ribs. Okay, so for this rub we're going to be using a half a cup of brown sugar, a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, and they said you can add 1 to 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper. We're not going to do that. I don't need any heat on here. So anyway, I'm going to get that all put into this bowl. Melissa will write it into the comments like she always does, so you have it, and then we'll get it put on these ribs. Well, now I've got all that whisked together good. I'm going to have to put this in like a cookie sheet, and I don't have a really big one. We've got the smaller ones and the medium one, but it doesn't quite take it, so I'm going to take and cut this in half. And since my fillet knife is dirty, I'm going to try this knife and see how that works. That works pretty good. Nice. So now you want to take and get this dry rub on all sides of this. Now that we have the rub on them, we want to get these wrapped up in foil, nice and tight. There we go. I'm going to shove them in the oven at 275, set a timer for 3 hours. Alexa, set a timer for 3 hours.
3 hours, starting now.
We have about 40 more minutes left. It smells really good in here. Well, the timer just went off, so the ribs should be ready to be broiled, I hope. Oh, that looks good, it does. So it says they should be fork tender. They are. Now I'm supposed to drain all this liquid off. I think the easiest way to do that is just to dump it into this thing and put them on a different cookie sheet. Okay. I think instead I'm going to try to drain it into something because So Melissa really likes barbecue sauce. I'm not real big on barbecue sauce, so I'm just going to do one of these racks. Now we're going to put this back in for 5 minutes. Now we just let these rest for 5 minutes and they're ready to be cut up and eaten. You can see how tender this is. The bone will just pull right out. Wow.
Is it hot?
I don't think it's going to be too bad. It is kind of, does seem hot. It actually does have a pretty decent taste.
Yeah, it's good.
I was worried with all the chili powder or whatever was in there that it would be taste like Mexican or something or whatever, but it doesn't. How was it with the barbecue sauce?
That's good. I'm ready to eat.
All right, make up some plates. Okay, everyone. Well, there you have it. They're definitely probably the tenderest ribs I've ever made, I think.
Yeah.
They're really good, so you guys will have to give this a try. Okay, everyone. Well, thanks a lot for watching. What does Melissa say at the end of the videos? Like, comment, subscribe. If you try this, let me know what you think. I'll see you guys on the next video.